Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full time down analysis. So on the pound dollar monthly time frame, I still think this is either going out for a running flat or possibly an expanding flat. If it's an expanding flat, it's likely to go up into this blue box. If it's a running flat, I would expect it to go into this area. Either way, should lead to a pretty big uptrend. Taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think the end of a wave 2 is back here. That makes this like a wave 1 of 3. This is a 2 of 3. I think we're in a wave 3 of 3. If this is a wave 3, then this move down very likely will eventually make a higher low, and it most likely will continue to make those higher highs, higher lows, all part of this wave 3 of an expanding flat or a running flat wave C. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm definitely still looking for shorts because it is definitely no evidence that this is over yet. I am definitely looking for 1, 2, 3-way pullbacks. I'm looking for Fibonacci bounces to go long. We don't really necessarily have that yet, and it doesn't have to stop at the 38. It possibly could go down to any one of these fib levels. So for now, still looking for shorts in a downtrend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, my most recent structure is still way up here. So I personally am only looking for sells on shorter time frames, at least until we get a structure break to the upside. No structure break, no reason for me to go long. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last little push down right here. I'm definitely still looking for shorts. I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 waves up. I'm looking for Fibonacci bounces. I'm looking for nice engulfing moves to the downside. It looks like it's trying to make an entry right now, honestly. So the trend is down on all the higher time frames technically from the daily, the 4 hour, and down. So I'm definitely looking for shorts in a downtrend. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.